There are hundreds of vendors on the show floor, each one solving a specific problem with some incredible tool that they poured their heart and soul into. The venture capital communities put $30 billion into construction technology over the past 10 years. And that's fantastic. And these tools are fantastic, and they each meet a unique need.
What I'm seeing is almost like an accordion effect. Okay. So as we see this right now, a lot of times we hear that construction is behind in technology, when in fact, as we're even here at Groundbreak, we have a plethora of systems and solutions that have been introduced into the market. And personally speaking, I think I see companies really begin to push themselves to try to adapt and adopt all of the technology to kind of say, this is leading the spear of, okay, how we're going to do 3D modeling, or how we're going to do augmented reality or virtual reality. And so they begin getting excited, but what happens is it impacts their process behind their four walls.
The CIOs in particular, who are trying to manage their tech stack, typically have some big rocks in that portfolio that are immovable. Whether that is Oracle or Sage, Salesforce or Workday, and of course, most widely deployed construction technology out there, Microsoft and Excel.
The notion of platform and simplifying their data stack into fewer, bigger platforms. And back to our customer breakout, for our really big customers, what that means is they've made commitments to platforms like Procore. They need our pipelines integration tools to be very seamless for how information flows from Quickbase to Procore and back. And so a lot of the times we land, and one of our strengths is how easily and simply we can integrate with things like a Procore that they're already using. So they've made a commitment to that platform. Any third-party tool that comes along, they're not going to consider it unless it has a really seamless and easy way to interface with that. And so that's at the high end. At the low end, the platform choice oftentimes can be Quickbase itself, that they want to build a whole bunch of these apps from the beginning of a project, bidding all the way through to the end of a project on one platform, to track all of that, to track some of the financial forecasting, the resource management, all of those things. And so that notion of simplifying, consolidating a smaller number of platforms, and either it's a Quickbase itself, maybe at the sort of the mid-market, or at the higher end of the market, it's leveraging our integration and pipelines capabilities so they can just very easily for us to integrate with the chosen platform.